A bright smile and white teeth are signs of attractiveness and beauty. In this context, we present to you an effective and natural recipe for teeth whitening using simple and effective ingredients, where coffee plays a role in this process to give your teeth whiteness and shine. Let's get to know the details of this effective recipe. Recipe ingredients: a teaspoon of coffee, clove garlic, a teaspoon of lemon juice, toothpaste. How to prepare. 1. Start by mincing the garlic clove in a bowl using a grater. 2. Add coffee and lemon juice to the chopped garlic. 3. Add the toothpaste to the mixture and mix all the ingredients well until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Recipe use. 1. After preparation, apply the mixture to a dry toothbrush. 2. Gently brush your teeth with the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Repeat this process once daily to achieve best results. By continuing to use this recipe, you will notice an improvement in the color and radiance of your teeth. A reminder that results may vary depending on individual response, but commitment to your dental hygiene is still important to maintaining a beautiful, healthy smile.